Welcome back, everybody. It's Monty, it's Shadle Park, it's geometry, and here we are, knee-deep in trigonometry, okay? Sine, cosine, tangent, the hypotenuse, the adjacent, the OPP, oh my gosh, angle measures. Whew, what a week, right? Well, next week, as we get ready for spring break, 1 week left, we'll wrap up trigonometry, put it to bed so that when we come back from spring break, we don't have to think about sine and cosine and tangent anymore. All right? But before we go any further with this video, wow, what a spring con we just had. Wasn't that awesome? The pep rally, the convocation, the assembly. People were yelling, people were screaming, people were chanting, the bagpipers were bagpiping, right? That was a great time. Hopefully you enjoyed our first PepCon in nearly 2 years. Wow. Okay, well, before we go any further, we have to do our shout outs for the week. All those folks that did all that outstanding work, okay? And we'll get started with in period 3, Logan Anderson, Anthony Gomez, Karina Granados, David Hirsch, Zylo Holman, Jocelyn Ives, Addison Yan, Rita Kurganova, Tristan Larson, Jade Lipscomb, Dylan Monger, Catherine Nazarchuk, J.E. Stahl, Isaac Treat, Evan Upton, Christian Walters, and Damian Wickman. In period 4. Now this is for all the people that worked extra hard on Mathia and SOHCAHTOA, the trigonometry problems. Rosalina Bonni, Haley Bowers, Evan Cavell, Gabe Claypool, Elliot Collins, Rashad Hart, Kylie Jensen, Tommy Krotzer, Janine Lopez, Macario McGriff, Mercedes Nichols, Kira Perkins, Molly Pickard, Delilah Rivera, Celeste Wink, and Heaven Zink. And then in period 5, Desiree Ballou, Jackson Berkey, Cam Brown, Chris Ferraro, Lily Hendrickson, Araya Howard, Hunter Presley, London No Pride Jennings, Ellie Petty, Malachi Rindy, Rashawn Sarvis, Matthew Shuck, Daisy Stegman, Cassidy Sullivan, Leo Walters, and Tyler Wyant. Again, going over and above makes everything special for the whole class. You never know what you have to contribute to make studying easier for others, especially in math. Okay, now, this upcoming week, we're going to wrap up trigonometry, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. And how do we finish every topic? We do it with real-world math, okay? Where I'm standing on a beach, you're standing on a beach, and we're both looking at one item. We can use data and distances and angles to calculate things. Hopefully in the classroom, we're going to get that heart back. Remember the heart that we hung on the 3rd floor? We can hang that back up there. We can use a protractor and see the angle of elevation so that we can calculate how high off the ground or how far that heart is from us. Okay? So hopefully we'll get that done next week. Other problems are when we know how high we look or the angle of depression, we can calculate the heights and the distances of other things. So again, real world geometry. All right, and it's all using trigonometry, the sine, the cosine, and the tangent. So until next week, we got to wrap up our school before spring break by studying trigonometry, right? Real world math. Have a great weekend. Be excited. It's warming up and we're almost ready for spring break. Bye-bye.